What's going on, my tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. Today we're gonna have a look at my setup, my beautiful setup that I don't know. It basically took me months and months for me to get to what I have right now, and still upgrading it as well. Especially my PC, that needs a big upgrade. Well, not big upgrading because it's already sick, but you know, just little there bits and bob I want to upgrade just to make it a little bit better and stuff like that. But anyway, I've been seeing so many comments down below, you guys telling me you want to see my setup, especially my monitor. I'm going to show you guys my setup, what I use, my peripherals, everything that I use on my setup. Because yeah, like I said to you guys have been bombarding me with messages and comments telling me that you want to see my setup and stuff like that. But anyway, without further ado, you know how it is. Cue the B-roll. So guys, as you can see, the B-roll was shown. You guys saw exactly what my setup looks like. But yeah, a little bit of B-roll going around when I'm talking about certain products on the actual setup. But anyway, we're gonna stop from the tip top. Not the top, but the tip top. You get me? The tip top thing. I can't rap for shit. Sorry, I cannot rap at all. But anyway, we're gonna start from tip top. My monitor. Everyone is so interested in this monitor, and yeah, it's kind of a bad time I'm actually talking about this monitor online, because a lot of people actually starting to buy these monitors and actually reviewing them, unboxing and stuff like that. So it's kind of like gone from new to more and more people actually knowing what the monitor is. So I should have done it exactly when I got it, because only few people know about it. But yeah, this video is probably going to get more view because not everyone actually knows about this monitor. But yeah, this behind me, this big ass thing behind me, it is the Samsung QLED 49-inch ultra wide monitor. For me, I don't call it ultra wide, I call it super ultra wide, because you have ultra wide monitors as well, which I think goes up to 42 or 43 inch. But this is 49-inch, so I call it the super ultra wide monitor. But yeah, it's flipping, it's huge. I actually unboxed this monitor. Just click up there to check out the unboxing when I unboxed it. It's got 144 gigahertz refresh rate, which is good for gaming, especially when I'm gaming Fortnite or GTA 5. Or Fortnite I'm really bad at, but GTA 5, I'll rip anyone in GTA 5. But anyway, that's the monitor. Like I said, it's got it's 39 by 9 ratio. There's normal ultra wide at 29 by 9, but this one's actually a 39 by 9. It's basically 4K. It's not really 4K, but it's close to that line of 4K. But it's not full 4K because of obviously because of the aspect ratio, which is 39 by 9. But yeah, that's the monitor I'm rocking. It's a sick monitor. Anyway, moving on. let's talk about my sound. So basically, when you're editing your videos or when you're gaming, you need good sound, good quality sound, especially, like I said, when you're gaming or editing. So I'm rocking the Panasonic soundbar and the Panasonic subwoofer as well, so you get that crisp bass, and you know, especially when you listen to them roadman tunes and that heavy metal thing, you got to hear that bass slamming and that, you get me. I'm not into that kind of stuff, but yeah, I just like the plain good old Drake, Rihanna, you know, KSI, you know how it is. Not like that, nothing too road or whatever. But yeah, I got that. I believe it's a Panasonic SU-HTB688 subwoofer as well. As the soundbar is actually Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone to it and listen to music from your phone or from YouTube or Spotify or whatever. Basically, it's just the Bluetooth. It's basically got Bluetooth built in, so you can basically connect and play whatever you want on it. And the bass is, oh my god, absolutely crisp. It's not. It's for what I paid for it. It's actually a proper good kit. It's good enough for what I do on my PC, especially when I'm editing and stuff like that. But then when it comes to gaming, I trust and rely on my Corsair headphones. There's no B-rolls of this because I actually forgot to include a B-roll of it. But yeah, it is the Corsair Raptor HS40. I believe there was when I was doing my research on this, there was a HS30 which had the 3.5mm headphone jack, but this one actually has the USB connector which goes into your PC, and you can basically use that to transmit the sound from the PC to the headset. But yeah, I mean, it's extremely comfortable. I'll tell you, well, let me not lie, it's not the most comfortable headset out there. It's, I mean, it might be just me, or that's how it is, but for me, maybe, 3 hours into gaming, or anything like that, it starts to hurt my ears, my earlobes a little bit. I don't know why that is, but I mean, for what I paid for them, still a good headset. I think I paid like £40-something for them. No, actually, I think £60-something. I'm not too sure. I can't remember, but it's a flipping nice. It's a nice headset. It's got the mic over there, and then, like I said, the USB connector, and then it's got a few buttons on the side. The volume up, volume down, volume up, and it's got a dedicated mute button as well, in case you don't want to hear someone speak when you're playing, or you don't want someone else to hear you when you're playing. But yeah, it's a good looking headphones. Anyway, now we talk about peripherals. I've got the sickest lineup of peripherals ever. So we're gonna kick it off with my mouse. My mouse, you know how it is. Click up there again to see an unboxing of me when I actually unbox this mouse. But it is the Logitech Mx Master 2S. It's a sick mouse. You have no idea how much I've been doing. So much research, is unreal, of how good this mouse is, and this mouse is literally the best in every single category. Gaming, productivity. When I edit with this thing, it's like, oh my, it's so sharp and crisp and on point. I can literally edit for hours with this mouse and game for hours with this mouse. So comfortable in your hands, and also there's so much presets you can do on the actual mouse. On the top, the scroll wheel, it's got side flipping. It's an amazing mouse, and it's just an amazing mouse all around, to be honest. But yeah, my keyboard is nothing special. Literally, I didn't want to spend a lot of money on buying a keyboard, because this was back in the days when I didn't have a lot of money, wanted to keep everything on a budget. I decided to pick these up. These are actually called the Sonic Wave Hybrid Music LED Gaming Keyboard. So basically, it's just an RGB keyboard. It's got lights, it's got a rainbow effect, it's got loads of effects. It's nothing major, but the only reason I like it is because it's RGB. I think I got them for £40-something. I'm not too sure, but I'll link everything down in the description section below of everything I got, how much they are, and stuff like that, so you can actually purchase it for yourself if you like it. But yeah, the keyboard is good. The mechanical sounds good. It's a keyboard at the end of the day. I mean, it's built for gaming, so I mean, it's good for if you're starting up, like if you it's good for when you're building up your setup and you're on a budget or don't really have a lot of money to spend on your setup. You can just pick it up for 40 quid or 40 pound or something like that, and it's good because it's got the RGB lights, it's got the lights, LEDs, this, that, and literally there isn't any brands out there that comes close to the price I paid for this, and especially with the RGB and stuff like that. But yeah, it's all about researching, especially when you're on a tight budget. You have to research weeks, months, just to find the right product for you. But yeah, now we're gonna move on to my PC. My PC, that on its own is a completely separate, different video. But all I'm gonna say is the name of my PC is called the Big Green. You know, the Big Green, because I've got a green jumper and the PC is green as well. Inside of the PC is green, the light, everything is green, the wire is green too. So yeah, it's called the Big Green. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna say for my PC, because a separate video is coming on there to show you guys what a beast it is. But yeah, like I said, it's called the Big Green. Yeah, it's got a graphics card in it. It's got everything in it. Got a RAM stick. That's all you guys are gonna know, because people actually want to know what's actually in that case. But yeah, guys, I think that concludes and wraps up my whole setup. And also the table is just a cheap table from IKEA. The top I bought on its own, and then the legs I bought separately. Actually, the legs or they've got a height adjustment, so you can adjust it to whatever height you want. And yeah, also forget to mention I've got the mouse pad, long extended mouse pad from Spigen, from Amazon. Just I thought, you know what, I like the color of it. It's black. It's nothing too flashy, nothing like that. And you know, Spigen is a brand that I know they do phone cases and stuff like that, and they're quite good. So I thought, you know what, I'll just get it. It's cheap. But yeah, it's just a mouse pad at the end of the day, and to be honest, it feels good. My mouse scrolls nicely along it, which is really nice. But yeah, I think that wraps it up. And also, and then yeah, my my little Deadpool figurine there. But yeah, guys, that is my setup. For you guys that have wanted to see my setup, there you have it. You guys know what I'm rocking and stuff like that. If I do upgrade anything, I'll be sure to make another video of what I've upgraded to and what new I have on the setup. But yeah, it's very minimalistic. Yeah, minimalistic and simple. Don't really like a lot of clutter on my desk, you know. It's perfect. The less the stuff, the better the desk is for me, and the more it looks tidy to me. So I only put what I need on the desk. Well, apart from Deadpool, he's a figurine, so it's alright. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Also, don't forget to stick around for when I do the video on my PC. That's going to be a fun video. But yeah, don't forget to smash that like button. Also, click that share button. Comment down below. Tell me if you like my setup. If you like the way I've displayed it. If you like what you like best on the setup. If you like the PC, the mouse, the keyboard, whatever you like more. Comment it down below. Tell me what videos you want to see as well on this channel. It's all about tech, so yeah, tell me whatever tech video you want to see. But yeah, guys, share the video like I said, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.